What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We definitely need your help to make this channel grow to astronomical proportions. So we definitely need your help on that. So hit that subscribe button. Also, click the bell button beside it so every time I upload, you'll know about it right off the bat. So with that, let's get started. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Recipejoes. My name is Chris Show. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to take you on another little field trip to Campus 805. If you remember from my earlier video, we'll put it in the annotations at the top of the first time we came here. We came to check out Hops and Guac, which was really fun, really good people, really good food. So check that video out after you get done with this one. But today we're just gonna check out what goes on in Campus 805. Different restaurants, breweries, all kinds of stuff. So let's go check it out. there you have it, guys. Campus 805. I just gave you a little taste, if you will, of all the stuff that goes on in this wonderful facility right here on Governor's Drive in Huntsville, Alabama. So for Cornelius from Recipejoes, hope you all having a good one. And everybody always asks me, why you do what you do? It's for the love of food. Alright guys, have a good one. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Hit that subscribe button. Press it, press it.